trigonometric ratios, how to find the values of sine and cos. Easy way, see here sine 0 degrees, sine 0 degrees is nothing but what is the value of sine here? Here 0 is there, no, right here root 0 by, how much is there here 2. What is the value of root 0 is 0 by 2, which is equal to 0 by anything is always 0. Next one, for finding sine 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees with respect to that value is 1, no, so 1 means root 1 by 2. Root 1 by 2 is nothing, root 1 value is 1 by 2. Next sine 45 degrees, sine 45 with respect to that 2 is there, no, so root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 means here we can write this as root 2 by 2 is root 2 into root 2. Now root 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Next sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 is root 3. So root 3 by 2. Next sine 90. Sine 90 is 4. Means root 4 by 2. Root 4 value is 2. 2 by 2 is nothing. 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 1. Next cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees value is 4. So root 4 by 2. What is the value of root 4? 2. So 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 30. Cos 30 is 3 is there, no? So root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees means root 2. So root 2 by 2, which is equal to root 2 by 2. We can write it as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Next cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is 1. Means root 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is 0. So root 0 by 2, which is equal to 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. Cos 90 0.